Hey, what's up everybody? We're here with another cooking. We're doing some cooking today, but not in the 12 volt lunchbox. We got the crock pot, and it's not 12 volt. So let's get started, see what we're cooking up today. It's gonna be a good one. Let's get started. Alright, so we just got just a little crock pot here. It's a small one. Yeah, probably big enough for like 1 to 2 people. This is an important deal here. You know, you can. Oops, that's epic fail right there. There we go. So you can put this on like when you're going down the road. You know, it's not 100% perfect, but better than nothing. So we got this going on. First thing we're gonna do, where is it at? This is gonna make cleaning up a whole lot better. Whole lot easier with this bad boy. One of the cooking bags. Cram in there best we can. There you go. Let's see what we're cooking. Alright, so we got one of these, it's actually a slow cook kit, pork roast and vegetables. I've done this one numerous times here. Everything, I mean, you don't need anything. Everything's here. There you go. All right. So obviously, this thing's a pretty good little size here, man. I don't know, it's gonna be too big. So we're gonna have to cut some of this out. And where is my knife? Talk about getting ready, right? It was sitting right here just a minute ago. Oh, now we gotta find it. You take the knife, Leia? There we go. All right. Since there's a whole bunch of blood in here, I'm just gonna cutting it open in a bag right here, just so I can throw it right out. The blood don't go everywhere. Oh yeah. Stay in there, blood. I'll probably just take a little bit off here, not a lot. I just want it to fit inside the crock pot. Let's see here. There you go. Not too bad. I just take a little bit off. I ain't gonna really do anything with this, so we'll just throw that out. So here you go. It comes with like a little a seasoning thing, but I never put this stuff in there. So it comes with potatoes, some red potatoes, an onion, a couple things of celery and carrots. So we're not going to use all this, but let me get some cleaning wipes and clean all this stuff up real quick here. We'll be right back. All right. Oh crap, I forgot. Well, I don't use the seasoning thing. I just get some A1, but I don't have a lot of A1. So we'll just dump all this A1 in here. And what I usually do, which actually I gotta go inside. I gotta get, just pour a little bit of water in here, but I actually ran out of water, so we're gonna throw a little bit of peaches and cream water in there. Just a little bit. Totally, just a little bit. Then you take a drink. Get all the good stuff. Alright. A1's gone. Let's get some of these potatoes. That's the thing with this crock pot. There's not a lot of room in here. And where is my knife again? There it is. There's not a lot of room in here. So all of this isn't going in here. If we had a bigger crock pot, well, we just dump it all in there. It'd be all good. This little onion don't look too bad. Take off the outer. Oops, missed. I'll throw some of these carrots in here. We got a couple potatoes left here. Let's see if we can get a couple more inside here, possibly. Probably about it. Maybe put a couple more carrots in here. That's about it, really. My lid. There it is. Yeah, that's about all the room we got. Oh man, where's my rubber band? There it is. Whoops. There we go. I didn't plug it in. Probably would have helped. We got about another about 3.5 hours to drive still. So we will probably put this thing on high. Well, here, I'll give you a little peek, see what it looks like before we... There we go. Obviously, pork roast is down at the bottom, potatoes, onions, carrots. Yeah, so that's all it really goes here. Like I said, we got about 3.5 hours to drive still. You know, I was gonna put this on this morning, but I was afraid it wasn't gonna. I was afraid it was gonna cook too early and all that good stuff. So, well, like I said, we got to get down the road. We're in somewhere right outside Nashville on 24. We got to get down through Mont Eagle, Chattanooga, and we'll stop at the TA in Cartersville for the night. So in the morning we'll cruise around Atlanta. So let's I gotta go inside, take care of business, finish our break, and when we get to Cartersville, we'll check out the old pork roast and see what it looks like. All right, so this thing's been in here. What time is it? Almost 4 o'clock now. Probably been in here for about, I'd say, close to 4 hours. So the only one thing you can kind of tell when it's ready. If you stick your fork into potato, and if it don't lift up, it's not ready. Yeah, it still looks. Yeah, it's still got a while to go. Even some of the potatoes that are in the water, yeah, they're not quite ready yet. If we can get a peek. Yeah. Onions are looking pretty good. Yeah, it's going to be a little while still. We'll go inside, take a shower, get all cleaned up. We'll probably check it probably about 6 o'clock. We'll check it. Alright, I think we're looking good here, peoples. It's about almost 6 o'clock, like we were saying. Oh, yeah. Look at this potato. Oh man, we're looking good. What we got in here? Oh yeah, there's some of the pork right there. Oh, check it out, check it out. Oh yeah, we're eating good tonight, peoples. Let's scoop some of this stuff out. Let's get to eat. Alright. Look at this stuff here, man. Look at this stuff. Man, this is some good stuff. We got roast pork, carrots, potatoes, and onions. With some A1, a little bit of peaches and cream water. Yeah. This is good. Came out good. This didn't take too long to make. What time we put it in there? Let's say about 11:30, around there somewhere. And we stopped when we got here, and it was almost 4 o'clock. We let it cook to 6 o'clock, so I'd say about 6-7 hours it was cooking. Worked out just perfect. You know, just it's not too rare, it's not overdone. Pretty good. And we got some left over. We'll put in a bowl for tomorrow. Yeah. So we're gonna finish watching 911, eat our dinner, drink our vanilla Coke, enjoy the show. Yeah, man, you can cook this stuff in the truck. This is so easy. Going down the road, easy stuff, people. You know, this one isn't no 12-volt crock pot, but they do make them. You know, if I had a bigger crock pot, obviously I could have put everything in there and maybe had 2 extra meals. So. But this is alright, this will do for now. So we're going to get back to the show here, eat our dinner. Talk to you guys later. Where's the sound? There's no sound. Come on. There we go.
One over by the
technology, people.
Madison. That place I told you about. King of Broiling. Ray says it's the best veggie burger.